Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download photos from Google Photos. So if you're using your desktop or laptop, all you have to do is simply go to a specific picture, right click and then tap Save As, and it will save your image directly to any of these folders here. Also, you can tap these three dots and then tap Download, and you will see here that your photo has been downloaded. And if you want to select more than one picture, I mean, if you want to download three photos or four photos, you can just simply tap this circle here, okay? And then tap this three dots and click download. And it will be automatically downloaded to your device. Now, when it comes to mobile, we have different settings and features. You have to make sure that you have updated your Google Photos. So to save or download your photo, you should tap this three dots at the top right corner and see that download option there. But if you can't see the download option, then you can try other options below here. If you want to save this picture to another album, then you can tap this add to album. But it doesn't download this picture. It's just going to save this picture to another album. Okay, so the best thing to do is to simply share this picture to any of your social media account here. And then if you see a download button there, then you can download this image, okay? Or you can just simply screenshot this picture to save this to your gallery. So that is if you can't see a download option here. But I'm pretty sure that your device, you can see that download option. Either you see that in the three dots or any option down here. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.